6-inch brown Moss Caribbean Breeze ceiling fan. Most of my videos have been on tripods. This one isn't because I can't get a good angle for it because of this light. And it's brown and it's in a corner. I originally wanted to put it back there, but I couldn't wire on a control. So it's over here. So yeah, it's on this ECC Corporation control. The one that that has a knob. The other one does the Evergo and the SMC. So yeah, I'll start her up by turning it on low. I did have to adjust the low speed trim on the control because it was originally way too fast, so I adjusted it almost to the point where the fan couldn't run because it was so slow. But I got it adjusted. Yeah, I am terribly sorry for the reflection off the lights. It's not easy getting a good angle for it because I mean, got the bad glare of the light right there. Hold on, let me try cleaning up the car. It doesn't make much of a difference, but you know, it's whatever. Speed it up a little bit. The rust on the bottom is just because it sat on a floor for about 6 months. I'm gonna get some Rust-Oleum paint and I'll paint over it. Yeah, this fan's a little beast. I don't know which fan's more powerful, this or that. Turn it up a little bit more. This is another fan. I originally wanted to put it on a 3-speed control, a 3-speed fan control, but I ended up not doing that. I found that variable speed controller and I was like, well, crap. Wait, no, I don't have a random 3-speed fan control sitting around. Darn it. I thought I had one because I was gonna wire in another control for the Evergo. Here's about medium high. This fan hasn't ran in about a couple weeks, or since National Ceiling Fan Day to be specific. On that rattling, I have no idea what it is. It's probably just since it's like 50 degrees out. Bump it up a little bit more. This is almost technically high speed, but people would be like, oh, this is high speed for this fan. If you want to compare it to the Crompton, well, guess what, smarty pants? It's not. I think the rust on it honestly looks really cool. This fan's the 3rd best. Spin down. Yeah, my feet are getting cold. How many videos do I have left out here? 1. Okay. And not joking, this fan actually ties with the Evergo. I said it's 3rd best because, I don't know. These two tie for 2nd best. 3rd best, last. That fan's bearings absolutely suck. Yeah, I have no idea what that rattling is inside the fan. I feel like I'm gonna get frostbite on my feet. I mean, first of all, cement floor, non-insulated 50-degree garage. At like 8:30 in the morning. That concludes Spend Down Time. Thank you very much for watching.